Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my channel. In this video we are going to have a look on how to use for loops to generate times table. It's going to be super easy, quick and simple. So let's start. I'm going to use for loops. For example, we have to generate a table in the range of a 1 to 10. 1, 11 and then with the distance of a 1, and we have to define the output here. I'm going to generate times 2 table, which is very simple, although you can change. And I'm going to give the print command. To give it a formal look, I'm going to write in the quotations 2 space x, and then I'm going to give the range 1 to 10, which is x, and then I'm going to write equal sign here in the quotation, and then I'm going to write output here. So let's run the code. As we can see, we have generated times 2 table in just using 3 lines of code. You can range the table. For example, we have to generate 1.65 table, we just 5 6 tables. We just need to change the number here in the output and in the print command, and there we go. Now we can see that we have generated times 1.56 table. So in the same way you can change, let's change it to the 1.75, and okay, this is how we generate the times table using for loops command. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.